For more than 20 years, Labtech has designed and produced technology training systems for top educational institutions around the world. As one of the world's largest manufacturers of technical vocational equipment and trainers, we are committed to delivering sustainable, long-lasting, and educationally effective solutions to our customers. Labtech's commitment begins at our home office and manufacturing facility shown here in Batam, Indonesia, 15 kilometers from Singapore, the world's largest container port. This location provides us with easy shipment capabilities for our products to anywhere in the world. We have also established marketing and distribution offices in Singapore, Malaysia, Jordan, and Jakarta. Unlike our competitors who outsource most, if not all, of their manufacturing, our operations are almost solely in-house, yet more economical due to the lower cost of manufacturing in Asia. We have built a company culture that is committed to quality from our R&D process to the delivery of our products and ongoing customer support. Labtech is an ISO 9001 certified company in the areas of research, design and development, manufacturing with quality control for educational training systems, international marketing, project implementation, and after-sales service. This is why schools around the globe recognize Labtech as an industry leader in technology education. Labtech focuses on 7 major TVET product areas, which include air conditioning and refrigeration, computer and information systems, automotive and transportation, green technology, electronics, electrical and power, and digital learning for TVET. Subcategories within our air conditioning and refrigeration trainers include basic refrigeration and air conditioning, domestic refrigeration and air conditioning, commercial industrial refrigeration and air conditioning and refrigeration controls, refrigeration heating systems, advanced air conditioning studies, automotive air conditioning, and instructional aids. This video shows Labtech's recirculating air conditioning trainer, which features recirculation and mixing of an airstream. The trainer provides for the study of a self-contained air conditioning and ventilation system that you would find within a typical commercial building. Airflow may be introduced from outside, recirculated, or mixed from within the system, thereby simulating open or closed loop systems. Students may simulate different air conditioning processes such as preheating, humidification, cooling, and reheating while logging data to plot and analyze air properties with a psychometric chart. This video shows Labtech's commercial central air conditioning trainer with a water-cooled condenser unit. This trainer allows the student to experiment with and control a typical commercial type installation of a water-cooled system. The system generates cooled air or water that can be used in a variety of applications such as air conditioning, refrigeration, or as a subsystem for improving the efficiency or performance of other systems. Components are clearly laid out in a manner similar to an HVAC circuit diagram and are mounted onto a sturdy steel stand for operation. The refrigeration circuit is displayed on a colorful silk-screened diagram. Refrigeration pipes are color-coded to indicate the state of the refrigerant within the circuit, and sight glasses monitor the refrigerant state along with strategically placed pressure gauges. Hand valves allow the system to be controlled and malfunctions to be introduced. An instrument panel for monitoring and controlling the operation of the system contains both voltmeter and amp meter. This photo shows the Labtech Basic Modular Refrigeration System Trainer, which allows students to build their own operational refrigeration or air conditioning systems. These trainers are provided in kit form, which includes standard commercial and industrial components such as compressors, condensation units, evaporators, thermostats, etc. Included courseware requires students to design, build, and test a system to match the specifications for heat load calculations, component sizing, system drawing, and more. This photo shows the Labtech Commercial Refrigeration Trainer, which is designed for comprehensive, in-depth, and advanced studies of industrial refrigeration systems, and also demonstrates the operational characteristics of commercial refrigerators, freezers, and cold rooms. Students can simulate systems that use multiple evaporators, pressure regulators, solenoid valves, and heat exchangers. This trainer includes electrical fault insertion, computer data acquisition, and built-in mechanical faults, constructed with 18 refrigeration system valves. This photo shows Labtech's industrial cooling plant with ice store trainer. This trainer is comprised of 3 mobile modules joined together by hoses. The basic module contains the usual refrigeration components along with the brine circuit and intermediate tank. The other 2 modules consist of a wet cooling tower unit and a dry cooling tower unit. The system is equipped with valves to configure various operating modes such as charging, discharging, or bypass. The heat transport is accomplished by using 3 different circuits: refrigerant, water, or glycol-water mixture. This photo shows Labtech's centrifugal fan air inducting trainer. This trainer is a flexible learning platform for exploring airflow and characteristics common to HVAC applications which use centrifugal fans inducting. It consists of a multi-purpose air duct mounted on a trolley fitted with a centrifugal fan that provides air supply to the ducting assembly. Airflow can be observed for different diffusers, ducting joints and filters, and measurements can be made on temperature, air velocity, air pressure, humidity, and more. This picture shows Labtech's cold and freezer room trainer. This walk-in trainer is made from actual commercial refrigeration units which have been modified to meet the needs of training labs and workshops. This trainer is ideal for exploring the operational and functional characteristics of condensers, evaporators, compressors, and control devices. Strategically placed sight glasses and high-low pressure gauges permit continuous observation of the refrigerant cycle, as well as observation of the refrigerant after condensation and prior to expansion. Hand valves allow the refrigerant to be restricted and thus simulate system malfunctions for troubleshooting. Labtech's refrigeration and air conditioning electrical controls trainer, shown here, is designed for teaching the operation and wiring of refrigeration and air conditioning controls, compressors, electrical motors, and basic electrical installation. Students can quickly assemble real industrial components into various types of operational systems to explore their functionality and characteristics. Complete systems can be mocked up or the controls can be connected to other installation or trainers to provide additional features. This photo shows Labtech's auto air conditioning trainer with original dashboard, which realistically simulates the complete air conditioning systems found in today's automobiles. This trainer has a mobile bench, refrigeration circuit, heating circuit, AC control panel, and original dashboard. Factory spec dashboard air handling system includes air ducts, blowers, and vents. This unit is the best solution for training technicians in the operation, service, troubleshooting, and repair of factory-installed automotive air conditioning systems. Labtech's air conditioning laboratory trainer, shown here, is a self-contained and comprehensive educational system with in-depth analysis and experimentation features. Adjustable controls for measurements of air temperature, humidity factors, and airflow provide easier and more in-depth studies of thermodynamics processes. The robust system design facilitates learning of different air conditioning processes such as preheating, humidity factors, cooling, and air reheating. The system works in conjunction with a psychrometric chart, and plots of actual air properties at targeted areas in the ventilation duct can be observed and studied. The systematic design provides a comprehensive platform for engineering objectives and accelerated studies of air conditioning processes. This photo shows Labtech's benchtop cooling tower trainer, which will familiarize students with the operation of forced draft counterflow industrial cooling tower systems. It can operate independently or be connected to other Labtech refrigeration and air conditioning trainers. Water to be cooled is recirculated through a tower which sprays the water through a baffle system with forced airflow to maximize the cooling effect. The transparent plexiglass panel allows the water flow to be seen inside. This photo shows Labtech's refrigeration and air conditioning simulation and training system, which is designed to train technicians in the overall operation and performance of air conditioning and refrigeration systems. A wide variety of systems and applications are covered by Labtech simulators, which introduce the student into simple and complex systems that might otherwise be too large for the classroom. Each simulator is designed to give realistic real-time performance that functions in the same way as the actual units. Meters are incorporated into the system at various temperature points to indicate power consumption, system pressure, and refrigerant flow. Subcategories within our computer and information system trainers include microcomputer and microprocessor lab, computer hardware technician, computer LAN technician, computer assembly and peripherals technician, and data acquisition and control systems. This chart shows the integration of multiple Labtech ICT trainers into a fully integrated and complete ICT laboratory. Labtech's ICT trainers, courseware, and practical skills elements are benchmarked against CompTIA's various internationally recognized certification assessments, including A+, Network+, Security+, and a number of others. In fact, Labtech's equipment goes beyond the minimum requirements set out in the certification programs. Labtech's ICT training equipment are considered some of the best aids for the preparation of students to sit for the various CompTIA certification exams. We combine both the theoretical and practical elements, making knowledge retention more permanent, thereby giving a higher success rate. The Labtech Computer Troubleshooting Trainer pictured here is a flexible and modular course that is designed to teach students advanced skills in computer architecture, component module functions, troubleshooting, and diagnostics. The trainer comes complete with all standard components and peripherals to form a completely operational PC system. The student is able to practice advanced troubleshooting and diagnostic techniques covering how to evaluate, isolate, and identify common malfunctions down to the board and module level. The Labtech Laptop Troubleshooting Trainer pictured here is a flexible and modular course that is designed to teach students advanced skills in laptop architecture, component module functions, troubleshooting, and diagnostics. The trainer comes complete with all standard laptop components and peripherals to form a complete operational laptop system. The student is able to practice advanced troubleshooting and diagnostic techniques covering how to evaluate, isolate, and identify common malfunctions down to the board and module level. The Labtech Server Troubleshooting Trainer pictured here is a flexible and modular trainer that is designed to teach students advanced skills in server hardware technology. These skills include installation, configuration, and upgrades of server hardware, component module functions, troubleshooting, and diagnostics. This trainer comes complete with all standard components and peripherals to form a completely operational server system. The student is able to practice advanced troubleshooting and diagnostic techniques on how to evaluate, isolate, and identify common malfunctions down to the board and module level. This photo shows Labtech's PC Test and Upgrading Station Trainer. This trainer allows students to perform complete tests and upgrades on almost all recent PC components. Tests and upgrades can be performed on motherboards, processors, memory and storage devices, optical drives, wireless cards, graphics cards, sound cards, or LAN and modem cards. This station unit is also ideal for performing functional and performance tests with other peripherals from the Labtech PC Assembly Kit. This photo shows Labtech's color laser printer trainer. This trainer is designed to teach required competencies for service technicians in the operation, theory, servicing, troubleshooting, and repair of color laser jet printers. This trainer is based on an internationally popular brand of printer and uses a real color laser jet printer which has a modified circuit board with test points for instrument readings. The trainer includes a special non-destructive electronic fault insertion and removal system that challenges students to improve their troubleshooting skills. Labtech's basic PC network system trainer shown here is designed for flexibility and simplicity in building LAN systems. The components are fully compatible with most common LAN software, including Novell, Windows, Linux, and more. This trainer will provide students with a good understanding of basic data communication protocols and architecture. The trainer comes complete with all standard components and peripherals for a network system and provides all necessary modules and parts for building thin coax or twisted pair networks. This chart shows the integration of multiple Labtech network trainers into a fully integrated and complete network laboratory. Practical local area network trainers for Windows and Linux integrate seamlessly with Labtech's practical wide area network trainer. Fundamental skills training is also provided by the basic network trainer and the network cabling trainer with a fiber optic add-on module. The Labtech Practical LAN Trainer pictured here was developed to give students practical as well as theoretical skills in setting up network systems from simple to complex. It is a modular system and can start at a very simple level and work up to more complex LAN and WAN systems. This trainer provides essential practical experiments for Labtech's overall program in meeting A+ certification and network technology practices, as well as Network Plus requirements. Subcategories within our automotive and transportation trainers include Automotive Circuit Simulator Training Panel, Brake Steering and Suspension, Drive and Powertrain, Engine Components and Accessories, Petrol and Diesel Engines, Electronic and Electrical Systems, Engine Testing, Dynamometers, Fuel Systems, Heating and Cooling, Motorcycles and Small Engines, Complete Vehicles, Workshop Equipment, and Instructional Aids. This video shows Labtech's small engine dynamometer trainer. Performing experiments on this trainer develops student competence in the theory and operational principles of internal combustion engines, instrumentation and testing procedures, power and engine speed measurements, thermodynamics, plotting of engine performance curves, and more. The dynamometer trainer is a unique universal testing apparatus that accommodates both vertical and horizontal shaft engines of up to 26 horsepower or 20 kilowatts. Small internal combustion engines of various kinds can be fitted to the system, including 4-cycle petrol engines, 2-cycle petrol engines, kerosene engines, diesel engines, and small motorcycle engines. The dynamometer trainer is a fully self-contained hydraulic type unit enclosed in a sturdy steel base which can be used on a benchtop. Engine mounting plates are provided for each type of engine supply, allowing quick setup for engine testing. The built-in precision load control can accurately vary the engine load so that torque readings may be taken at different RPMs. Torque is measured by an electronic load cell and built-in torque meter, and engine speed is monitored by an electronic tachometer. Engine power output can then easily be calculated from the torque meter tachometer readings. Labtech's suspension and shock absorber trainer, shown here, is designed to demonstrate the theory and operational characteristics of today's modern suspension systems that feature computer-controlled damping systems. This trainer uses real automotive components to demonstrate the suspension damping control in a car, as well as dynamic analysis on a vehicle as it is in braking, accelerating, turning, and turning on different road conditions. The electronic control unit system is fully functional, featuring a real ECS unit and a real shock absorber system, which makes this trainer ideal for student observation, experimentation, and troubleshooting. This photo shows Labtech's mechanical power transmission demonstration unit. This trainer features a sectioned engine with manual transmission that is connected to an axle drive system. The system is motorized and ideal for showing the operation of the engine, clutch system, transmission, and rear axle. The method of power transmission from the engine to the wheels may be clearly seen. Gears can be shifted and the output observed on the rear or front axle drive wheels. This photo shows Labtech's sectioned diesel engine unit. These sectional engines with transmissions are proven to be one of the most useful demonstration aids used in an automotive classroom. The complete engine and transmission has been carefully sectioned to expose all the internal operational details. All major parts have been sectioned, including the engine block, transmission, alternator, fuel injection pump, starter motor, water pump, thermostat, oil filter, etc. The function and interrelationships between all components and key working parts may clearly be seen when demonstrating engine operation. This photo shows Labtech's automotive electrical training system with computer-aided instruction. This system is designed to realistically simulate the electrical systems of a modern automobile. The trainer consists of modular demonstration panels mounted on a wheeled stand that contains a power source and component connecting cables. It can be used in the classroom as a demonstration unit to show students various types of wiring and to familiarize them with typical car electrical systems. The trainer has a microprocessor-based fault simulator that can be connected to a personal computer to activate the faults and record students' answers for scoring purposes. The software is also used to view the electrical circuit simulation in graphical form, as well as accessing the training material and theory. This photo shows Labtech's sectioned motorcycle engine unit. These sectioned original motorcycle engines are available in several models and are made from Japanese motorcycles such as Honda, Yamaha, and Suzuki. The engines have been carefully sectioned to show all key internal parts. These units are ideal for demonstrating the operational principles of 4-stroke or 2-stroke motorcycle engines. Cutaway sections of the engines have been color-coded for easy identification of parts and present a beautiful appearance in the classroom. This video shows Labtech's Autotronic Training System, which is a group of simulators developed for training technicians in the operation and performance of automotive electrical systems. Each simulator's functions are divided into modular panels, including system graphics, metering section, system circuit schematic, and question and answer feedback. Each simulator trainer includes an instrument display panel featuring 7 to 11 meters, which display information such as engine speed, coolant temperature, battery voltage, current consumption, sensor readings, and more. All simulators have the capability of inserting system-specific mechanical and electrical malfunctions, which students troubleshoot using the schematic circuit system panel. After fault diagnosis, the students then use the answer feedback panel to record their findings, which are then relayed to the instructor PC. Subcategories within our electronics trainers include electronic fundamentals, audio and visual technology, radio and telephone communications, and electronic laboratory instrumentation. Labtech's basic electronics trainer shown in this video is a modular course covering the fundamentals, concepts, theory, and application of electronics. It is designed as a starter course to provide new students with a solid foundation in electronics before advancing on to specialized studies. The basic electronics training program is ideal for basic and intermediate studies in this field. The trainer consists of a base station into which modular boards can be plugged that match various experiments. 52 experiments are provided that cover basic electronic theory, electronic solid-state circuits, semiconductors, amp circuits, and basic digital applications. The base station provides the power supply, basic instrumentation, and accessories that are required to support all the training module boards. Labtech's digital logic trainer shown here is a modular course covering concepts, theory, and application for digital electronics training. It's designed to start the student out with the basics of digital technology and then continue on to advanced digital topics. The level of training is further extended with application boards, which allow the student to apply his or her knowledge to real circuit applications. 40 different integrated circuit modules are available and are designed to work with the base station, which provides common facilities required for all experiments. Labtech's audiovisual trainers for DVD shown here are based upon popular brands which incorporate the latest industry design features. These trainers are specifically created to teach operations theory, repair, and servicing. Special attention is given to fault diagnosis to facilitate the teaching of troubleshooting techniques. These trainers are ideal for use as standalone units or can be combined with Labtech TV trainers to make a complete audiovisual training solution. The cellular mobile phone trainer shown here is a part of Labtech's communications training program. This trainer is designed to instruct service technicians in the operation theory, programming, servicing, problem diagnosis, and repair of cellular mobile phone systems. This trainer is based upon popular brands CDMA and GSM phones, which have been specially modified to facilitate training. The trainer allows easy access to all internal parts and components and includes a special electronic fault insertion system. This photo shows Labtech's video phone and CCTV security system. Labtech offers multiple configurations of these systems designed to train students in both domestic and commercial applications. Students learn about the system components and their uses, placement of cameras and sensors, wiring, and operation of the systems along with basic troubleshooting. Components are fixed to a 3-level panel frame to provide modularity, reusability, and multiple configurations for wiring and experimentation can be assembled rapidly. Subcategories within our electrical and power trainers include electrical technology, electrical wiring installation, distribution and protection, data acquisition, instrumentation and process control, lighting and building control systems, and power supplies, benches, and frames. Labtech's electrical installation trainer shown here is designed to provide students with a good foundation in electrical installation technology. The system consists of modules which are suitable for the study of electrical installation and troubleshooting in various areas such as lighting circuits, signaling circuits, hotel and hospital, PABX telephone, fire alarm, security alarm, video phone, and intercom. Each module contains real industrial electrical components such as contactors, relays, switches, lamps, push buttons, timers, circuit breakers, and more. Each module can also be fitted with hidden switches to introduce electrical faults which will challenge students' troubleshooting abilities. The Labtech electrical machine trainer shown here is designed to provide students with a solid foundation in electrical machine technology. The trainer consists of modules and panels containing meters, variable resistors, resistive load, capacitive load, inductive load, motors, generators, and other supporting equipment which are suitable for studying various types of motors and generators. The trainer covers the theory, design, and characteristics of each motor and generator along with multiple experiments. The Labtech motor generator system trainer shown here is an integrated system for in-depth studies of electrical, motor, generator, and alternator theory. The trainer comes mounted on its own base plate machine bed with an upright control panel, and the motor-generator combination is connected via a flexible coupling. A control panel is comprised of standard meters, motor power supply, and controls required to operate the motor. Fault insertion for machine winding is also available to challenge students' troubleshooting skills. Labtech's programmable logic controller trainer shown here uses Omron PLC products that are powerful and flexible systems ideally suited for specialized needs. Omron is a leader in industrial automation, and their products are common in manufacturing facilities worldwide. This trainer is ideally suited to developing competencies in operating, programming, and troubleshooting modern PLC control circuits. These trainers are compatible with a variety of accessories and peripherals, allowing them to be easily expanded into larger systems. The Labtech security alarm trainer shown here is designed to introduce students and technicians to basic security alarm systems. This trainer will teach prospective technicians about the basic functions and characteristics of alarm systems, placement and use of alarm sensors, setup and programming of electronic controls, installation, fault finding, and troubleshooting. The system is based upon a programmable electronic microprocessor-based central alarm unit that is equipped with many types of the most common sensors and signaling devices. This video shows Labtech's building automation system, which is a comprehensive set of trainers implementing HVAC, electrical, fire alarm security, CCTV, utility control, and in-house communication systems. This lab will teach students how modern buildings are controlled and managed by using computers that interface to industrial control systems utilizing direct digital control, or DDC technology. This allows computer control of the various systems, and the software allows the student to see the status of the system, the operational modes, to assist in energy management of the overall facility under control. Student learnings include managing an HVAC plant with chiller and boil, management and control of central air conditioning systems, management of alarm conditions, interfacing with security and CCTV systems, and more. Products within our green technology trainers include the solar energy trainer, the wind turbine trainer, the solar energy hot water system trainer, the solar energy demonstrator, and the boiler type solar energy trainer. This photo shows Labtech's solar energy trainer, which is designed to be small and compact for easy use in the classroom or remote sites. It's designed to start the student out with the basics of solar energy technology and then continues on to advanced solar energy topics. Using this trainer, students will learn about kcal or BTU measurements and how to calculate the heat absorbing capacity of solar panels. Students will familiarize themselves with flow meters and electronic thermometers which were provided on the control panel. Students can compare the output and efficiency of different configurations by assembling their own collectors using the interchangeable parts supplied with the trainer. Pictured here is Labtech's boiler type solar energy trainer. This trainer is designed to represent a state-of-the-art solar hot water heating system now popular in use for residential and commercial applications. The trainer features a high-efficiency solar collector with a separate boiler and a supplementary electric heater. The unit comes complete with a centralized electric controller that operates the electronic temperature meter with 6 temperature sensors, 2 water flow meters, expansion tank, electrical circulating pump, water pressure gauge, pressure relief valve, hot water storage tank, and the solar collector. This photo shows Labtech's solar energy hot water system trainer. This trainer is designed to represent a state-of-the-art solar hot water heating system now popular for use in residential and commercial applications. This trainer features a high-efficiency solar collector with an integral hot water storage tank and a supplementary electric heater. The unit also comes complete with a thermostat controller, electric booster system, polyurethane insulation, pressure and temperature relief valves. The system also includes a control panel unit that features 4 temperature sensors, water flow meter, and water pressure gauge. Labtech's solar energy demonstrator, pictured here, has been designed to introduce students to the generation of electrical power from the sun with solar cells. This trainer helps students build a solid foundation in electrical solar energy technology by illustrating battery storage techniques, conversion from DC to AC power, and how solar cells work. The trainer features a powerful solar cell panel which is mounted in a special frame that can be tilted at different angles to observe the effect of sun angle on power generation. The unit's panels features industrial components for measuring and converting the energy generated by the solar cells. Product offerings within our digital learning for TVET include the TVET Learning Management System, the Classroom 21 Classroom Management System, Educator Profiling, and TVET Digital Simulations. This video is of an interactive simulation of a 4-stroke EFI petrol engine. Labtech has used its long history as a producer of technical and vocational training equipment to develop 21st century content in the form of digital learning objects and simulations. These products range from electrical, electronics, ICT, automotive, HVAC, to renewable energy technologies. This content allows students to combine both theoretical and hands-on experience and see technical processes in ways they could not before without large, expensive equipment labs. Digital content can be embedded into the Labtech LMS or disseminated through the Classroom 21 CMS. These interactive simulations are useful for both TVET institutions or general education science classes. After watching the rest of this simulation video, please watch the next video about Labtech's TVET LMS to see how digital content can be delivered in an online learning management system.
The Labtech learning management system is designed to provide vocational institutions customized e-learning solutions. Digital lessons for any class can be created in a variety of languages and can be designed as an entire course or as an online supplement to a traditional course. Any third-party SCORM-compliant content can be inserted into the Labtech LMS, which makes it a flexible learning system which is able to evolve as newer content is developed. Labtech has digital content available for all of our vocational training systems. This content is designed to supplement a traditional course by digitally providing students the theory, assessments, and experiment guides. Students can access this information either at home or during class time. Courses can embed images, videos, animations, and even simulations. These can allow students to practice before going into the classroom or to enable students more opportunities to learn theories they find challenging. In addition to making multimedia digital lessons, teachers can create a variety of assessments: multiple choice, fill in the blank, matching, crossword puzzles, and so on. Full reports are available for teachers to analyze student performance, which enables teachers to adapt lessons to better target student needs. For schools or courses which require some research, the Labtech LMS is automatically synced up with the core repository of free open-source journal data. This allows students easy and complete access to a variety of academic publications in all subject areas. The Labtech LMS also provides several organizational and time management tools such as internal messaging, calendars, forums, and text chatting, so teachers can maintain virtual office hours. The Labtech LMS is the perfect system to help vocational schools, universities, or polytechnics bring technology and 21st century teaching practices, such as blended learning, into their classrooms. While learning management systems are becoming more common in education, Labtech's 25-year history in vocational education make our LMS the best choice to help your institution create better learning opportunities for your students. Please contact us for more information. One of the most popular ways to integrate technology into the learning process is by using student tablets. Labtech has designed our Classroom 21 classroom management system to help assist teachers use tablets in the classroom without the technology distracting from the lesson. The Classroom 21 CMS allows a teacher to monitor all student devices at a glance to ensure students are on task and not surfing the web or checking Facebook. Teachers are able to monitor battery levels to ensure all devices have enough power to make it through the activity. Teachers are also able to manage student devices from their own computer. With the click of one button, they may freeze all the student devices to avoid distractions during a lecture or to shut down devices at the end of class. Teachers may also screen share with devices, send files to students, text chat, and take attendance. Teachers are able to group student devices for easier management or to enhance technology-infused differentiated learning activities. All features in the Classroom 21 CMS can target individual devices, groups of students, or the entire class. The Classroom 21 CMS is able to be fully customized by both students and teachers. For more information and a full list of features and specifications, check out the website in the link.